Hi everyone, we have a new project, different from my usual. I upholstered a French chair, so please comment, like, and subscribe. So I wish I had a picture of the original chair because it was very ugly. And I pulled all the fabric off and I painted the frame. And then here I am stapling the fabric to the top of the chair so that on the back it just looks seamless. I did fix that little part in the top right corner. I just pulled it tight and stapled, and then it looked perfect from the back. So I took the fabric off the seat and I used that kind of as a template, and I stapled it all around the edge. It took a while to get out all the original staples because there were so many. And then I stapled all the way around, and then I had to go around and trim all of the fabric off. So that took quite a while just to trim it as close as possible. And here you can see kind of a detail where I had excess fabric and I had to pull it really tight to staple it and then trim it. So you can see up there around the corner, some places were easier to trim than others. Then I took my trim and I hot glued it to the chair. So I just pulled it really tight when I was going around the legs. And you can see that I had to glue it around where the chair meets the back of the chair. Well, I don't know what I'm saying. So here's the back of it from the back view of the chair. So then you could see how I was still gluing along the back of the chair to, no, this is the front. I was gluing around the front. I didn't have to do any in the back. So this is the finished chair. You can see it's all finished. I did it from the top. And there it is. So this was Cajun DIY Diva. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.